So ayan guys, I started my day by praying and syempre pag-ayos ng bed. And when I wake up, syempre dadiretso agad tayo sa kusina to wash our faces. Yan, makikita na natin na I'm stretching and then started to wash my face. As you can see, maaga akong gumising kasi we supposedly have class that day. But it got cancelled and naglakad na lang ako ng dog namin. After walking our dog, napag-decidean ko na ingitin yung inulam namin kagabi, which is Bicol Express. It was kinda salty, pero it was bearable naman. After reheating our ulam, napagdesisyonan ko na maghanda na ng food sa lamesa. Today, we have a visitor, which is my cousin. He spent his vacation here in Batangas. And while I was waiting for our class to start, napagdesisyonan ko na kumanta. Singing has been a hobby of mine ever since I was little.
Currently, it's 10:17 and wala pong power. Nagkaroon po ng power interruption dito sa amin as I continue to make this day in a life vlog. Yeah. So I'll update you guys when I'm on the way to school.
While the power interruption is still ongoing, I decided to take a bath na while waiting. And syempre, since matagal akong kumilos and marami akong abubot sa katawan, syempre, nag-get ready with me muna tayo! Ayan, sa part na yan, kinakausap ko yung camera kasi ilalagay ko na yung contact lens ko. And yan, and after na, nag-continue ako sa pag-makeup and does all the work and went out na. Sa part na to, sinakay ako sa kotse ng Tito Omar kasi he is in the house. Since palabas na din siya that time, isinabay niya na ako so that mura ako sa pamasahe. Due to overheating, hindi na mag-function ng ayos ang recording ng voice ko. So, ayan, kinakausap ko yung camera while waiting for the jeepney to pass. And ayan, nakasakay na ako sa jeep and it was kind of shaky kasi it was magulo. The jeep was bumpy and the ride was magulo. Ayan, after that bumpy ride, nakababa na ako sa jeep and I decided to go sa 7-Eleven to have my lunch kasi hindi pa ako makakapag-lunch nan sa bahay.
I just arrived sa school. 301 po yung room namin. So yeah, dito na po. I just arrived.
Bilang isang dahilan tagapagpanggap, nagpanggap akong pumasok sa classroom. And that time, nagsisimula na yung klase namin sa Porcom. So, so waiting for my friends to finish. Kasi po, there's some bagay. Here they are. We are still writing. And there's some bagay. So guys, pagbaba na po kami downstairs kasi nasa kabilang building ang next na subject namin, which is ethics na? Ethics. Okay. Guys, on the way kami kay Ate Rona. Nagugutom. Nagugutom si Sidag. So guys, nakabila ako. Ang successful ko na ipasok sa school. Yan. Kikam. So sana ng kweng-kweng, pero hindi ako nakabila. So, kikam it is. Po, we're here sa room 301 for our next subject, which is ethics. Yes, still waiting for the class to start. We're waiting for some classmates for the po. So, while waiting for our teacher to arrive, syempre, napag-desisyon na namin naman, tsikahan muna. Akala mo hindi nagkita ng isang taon. And yan, still waiting pa rin. And waiting, and habang nagpapakyut, inuntok. And yan, dumating si Sir, and nakikinig kami ng mabuti.
Guys, our class has ended. Officially ended na. And we're going home. Guys, it's 4:25 na in the afternoon and kakalabas lang namin. And we're going to the night market daw, sabi nila. And yeah, I don't know. So guys, sasakay-sasay na kami, naglalakad. Still naglalakad pa rin kami. Don't know why, pero naglalakad pa rin kami din. Anyways, yeah, lapit na kami, maghiwalay-hiwalay. And yeah, sakay kami ni Inessa, papunta doon, and sila papunta doon.
Ayan, another session of walking, papunta sa sakayan ng jeep. This is our daily struggle with Vanessa since pahirapan sumakay sa jeep sa likod ng McDo. And yan, nagchichikahan kami ni Vanessa, chika-chika.
Kapag na ako, with all of my things na kailangan ko, tatawid na lang ako at pauwi na sa bahay. So, let's go. Hi guys, yan. So, my lolo went to buy some mangga. 5:20 na guys, and hindi pa ako nakaka-uwi. So, yeah. Pero malapit na ako sa school, ay sa bahay. So guys, the juice kind of I'm hungry.
And since nasa bahay na ako, ayan, pumasok lang ako sa bahay and nagmano sa aking lola. Already did it with my lolo and continue sa kusina. Kusina talaga yung favorite place ko. I don't know why, pero yeah. Ayan, nagsasasayaw siya and nagpalit and naghugas ng face. Gamit ang Cetaphil cleansing. And syempre, nakipagkulitan sa aso and nagluto ng dinner. After maluto, syempre, kumain na kami. So guys, that is it for my daily vlog. I hope that you got a lot of lessons from this simple video. And sana may natutunan kayo. And I think that is it. Hope you like, share, comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're updated to my latest videos. So yun lang. Bye!